Welcome to Great Nails 101. This time we're going to do our Flair 4 nails. But first of all, I started off with 1 to 2 thin coats of my base coat. I have 1 to 2 thin coats of my base color, and then I have a thin coat of my top coat. And what this is doing our little flare design, and we're going to use these 2 fingers, but they're coming in towards the hand this time. And what I did here too is I did kind of like a glitter ombre look there, and I'll show you how I achieved this. So first of all, I went ahead and started with my silver glitter. This is just the little metallic silver glitter in these ones, and I'm going to roll over, and I'm just kind of covering the edge of this just a little bit, because this glitter's real fine, and I mean, it doesn't drag across the nail and then like you'd like it to. But it's really nice to use on your little designs. So then I'll do that. That's just to kind of get my edge ready. And then I have this here silver glitter. You want to be careful with this because you don't want to get too much. You want to just get enough to have that little blended look. So I go ahead and put it on the edge there. Might have too much there. And then drag it down the nail, and as it does, it kind of blends into that ombre look. So I go ahead and do this on all the nails, as you can see. And actually this might be fine if you just did this design. Get it up there, and then just drag a little bit down, and as you do, it just thins out as you go, and then you get that neat little blended look there. There we go. That looks good. So we'll do that. And next I use my little black, but that brush isn't working too well. So I have this. I put some on a yogurt dish. I mean a yogurt lid or sour cream lid or whatever. Okay. Then we're going to get our little 3 lines. We're going to start in this corner over here. Let's go ahead and go on this one because it's probably a little drier. Glitter dries pretty quick. And the reason I did these ombres is because I wanted to see if it would help make it last a little longer on the end of that. So there's our first line. So this is going to be 3 lines with the black. There we go. And these are going to be back to back. So you start in this corner, and you pull next to the opposite corner. Ooh, that one's kind of long. I don't like that. I'll get a Q-tip. There we go. That was kind of long and thick. I didn't really like that. So what's nice about the water soluble is you can clean them off and then redo it. And that's why I'm not using the brush in the container, is because it's kind of messed up. So anyway, start again at this corner. Let's see. And as you drag out, you can lift up, and then it can give you that thinner look to it. There we go. So you're doing your 3 lines with this. Okay, that might work. Let's see how that does. I'll clean off that brush real quick. Then we're going to use our white. And this here is also water soluble. And we're going to do lines in between with this one. We don't want it to get too thick. We want these to be fairly thin too. Okay, so we'll start with this one here. And we'll start on this side here. We're going to be going in between. There we go. That one's kind of close together, but that's okay. It'll work out. There we go. That looks neat. And now this one. Oh, there's a little thing on there. Okay. Don't know what that is. There we go. There we go. That looks really cute. And now we're going to take our little silver, and this here will help soften up any of those lines and then kind of help them blend in together. And if you made any little mistakes, you don't want to put too much on it. You don't want to lose your design. You could just give it a hint of a little glitter like that. Oh, that looks cute. There we go. Same over here. There we go. I'm going to get that black covered up a little bit there so it doesn't poke through. Anyway, oh, that looks good. There we go. You see how that turned out? You have this really neat little design there. Let everything dry. Put 2 thin coats of your clear top coat on it and create your own great nails too.